let me move to the next subtopic, that is ecological pyramid. What is ecology? Ecology means the study of ecosystem. In ecological pyramid we have terrestrial, means pyramid we divide on the basis of number, and then biomass, and then we have energy. In each of this we consider terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem, how they behave in these three types of ecological pyramid. In pyramid of numbers, in this pyramid of numbers we have both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem as upright pyramid. As a default, ecological pyramid is upright. But in a tree ecosystem dependent on parasites, parasites are large number, they are occupied at the top level, means we have inverted pyramid. And then we have biomass. In biomass, specifically in aquatic ecosystem, we have inverted biomass. And then the last one is energy pyramid. In energy pyramid, always it is upright. Whatever the energy produced by the organisms in the food chain. And then let's move on to the next subtopic, that is ecological succession. Succession means moving from one form to the another form. Here we consider the moving of the ecosystem from one community to the another community, the final stable community. We have different types of ecological succession. One is primary, another one is secondary. In primary, the succession happens in uninhabited area. But in secondary, the previous existed ecosystem is destructed and allowed for the formation of new community. This is faster than the primary succession. We have different types of community. One is the pioneer community. Primarily it is formed firstly in the uninhabited area. And then we have a transitional community. This is formed between pioneer and then the climax community. This community means different types of population existed on that area. Climax community formed at the end of the ecological succession. This is formed between pioneer and climax community. For example, we have hierarch succession. We have firstly phytoplankton stage. Phyto means plant, floating on the surface. Plant means floating on the surface. This is the pioneer community in hierarch succession. Means this moves from water to dry condition. And then phytoplankton, reed swamp stage, submerged stage, and then we have floating stage. Finally, the stable community is going to be formed, that is forest, where different types of trees, plants, shrubs will be present. And then we have xerarch. This moves from the what Xerox means the rocky conditions to dry conditions. Here it moves from lichen or moss stage to the stable forest community at the end. Between that, we have herb stage, shrub stage, belongs to this transitional community. Then we have another subtopic, that is ecological niche. Ecological niche has two parts. One is habitat, another one is function. Habitat means this place, the function means what those species in that habitat do different from other species, so that the competition will be less, so there will be no destruction of species, so the stable community will be formed. Lastly, we have ecosystem services. The services, we don't pay for this, but the services provided by this ecosystem consist of biotic and abiotic factors. Or one is basic needs. What are the basic needs for humans? Food, water, clean air, fodder, and then the timber for production of food. And then we have recycling of water, and then prevention of disasters. For example, mangroves from cyclone. And then we have recreational services. You go to the parks in leisure period, and then you relax, do yoga, meditation. It will be a peace of mind for humans.